Hi, I'm Rachel Akmakjian, jewelry expert here at BriteCo Insurance. And if your gold earrings are looking dull, cloudy, or just not as bright as they used to be, you might be cleaning them in the wrong way. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to clean your gold earrings safely at home, and what not to do if you want to avoid damaging them. Gold earrings are one of the most worn pieces of jewelry, which means they collect dirt, oils, and build up fast. The good news is, you don't need expensive cleaners or a trip to the jeweler to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll know the safest, easiest way to get your gold earrings looking like new again. Let's start simple. You probably already have everything you need at home. All you need is warm water, a few drops of mild dish soap, a soft toothbrush or cloth, and a small bowl, and that's it. Avoid anything harsh like bleach, alcohol, or abrasive cleansers. Those can actually damage your gold over time. Step 1, mix warm water with a few drops of dish soap. Step 2, let your earrings soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps loosen any buildup. Step 3, gently brush your earrings with a soft toothbrush. Focus on the backs and any small crevices where dirt hides. Step 4, rinse thoroughly with clean water. And step 5, pat dry with a soft cloth and let them air dry completely before wearing. That's it, simple, safe, and effective. Now here's where people go wrong. First, using harsh chemicals. Gold is durable, but it's not indestructible. And second, scrubbing too hard. That can scratch the surface, especially if your earrings have a polished finish. And third, not cleaning the backs. That's actually where the most buildup happens. If you skip that part, your earrings still won't look clean, even if the front shines. If you wear your gold earrings daily, aim to clean them every 1 to 2 weeks. If they're occasional wear, once a month is usually enough. And if your earrings have gemstones, be extra careful. Some stones need different care than gold. Keeping your gold earrings clean doesn't take much, but it makes a huge difference in how they look and how they last over time. And if you want to protect your jewelry beyond just cleaning, BriteCo Jewelry Insurance makes it easy with coverage against loss, theft, damage, and even mysterious disappearance. You can get a quote in under 60 seconds and cover your piece for loss, theft, or damage. Check the link below and get started. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more jewelry tips.